Welcome to SHEVS Dental Academy. Today I have not one but three big news for the day. First of all, as you must be knowing that the Unicode generation for INICET May 2025 exam has already started, and you go to the aimsexams.ac.in. You can go to the login section and generate your unique code. So the Unicode generation is there, open for all you guys who are preparing for the May Aims 2025. So do it fast. The second thing is very important. Those of you who were previously not eligible for the upcoming NEET MDS exam because of the late completion of the internship. You already know the internship completion date has been extended, and the registration also has started again on the NBE portal. And this is the notice which is stating that the registration has been restarted from 3rd April till 6th April. It is open for all these students who are completing internship up till 30th June 2025. So if you have not yet registered, this is the good time to go and register on the NBE portal. The third big news is that the seat matrix for the INI May 2025 exam has been opened, released, and overall if you see, this is the seat matrix which we have compiled from the data given on the AIMS website. If you see here, we have in all 34 seats, out of which 16 are general and the rest come into various reserved categories. 2 seats which are to come in JIPMER Puducherry are yet not specified in which category they are going to come. So overall 34 seats, 16 in general and the rest in the various categories. You can see below, this is the whole matrix. Incidentally, this time AIMS New Delhi, you have very few seats, total 3 seats are there, rest of them are in all other AIMS across the country. And yes, those of you who are looking forward to joining our mock test series for the upcoming INICET exam in the May 2025, okay, so you can join the already running mock test series for the NEET MDS 2025, and that series we are going to extend to INI. So all those of you who are planning to join, this is the best time to join, because you can take advantage of all the mock tests for the NEET exam, and the same series will continue for the upcoming INI exam also in the same course. So these were all the big news for the day. I hope all of you are working hard for the exam. Wish you all the best, and bye bye, see you again.